Now we'll discuss some numericals. Some simple numericals you will be seeing in your NCERT book and also other references book. So you please go through it. I am discussing one or two. Suppose you are given a unit cell. A unit cell is given. In a unit cell, suppose A atoms are present. Atoms are present at the corner of unit cell and B atoms are present, or B atom you can say, B atoms are present at the body center. Now I have given one numerical. In a unit cell, A atoms are present at the corner of the unit cell and B atoms are present at the body center. You are asked to write the formula. Write the formula. How you will calculate? Now you see, in a unit cell, where A atoms are present? At 8 corners. And where B atoms are present? B atom is present at the body center. So if you are asked to deduce the formula of the compound, what it will be? Atom, contribution of A per unit cell. I am not writing in detail. It will be equal to 1 by 8 into 8. 1 by 8 into 8. So it will be equal to 1. And contribution of B per unit cell will be equal to 1 because it is present at the body center. So the ratio of A is to B is equal to 1 is to 1. So the formula will be equal to AB. So you can derive the formula like this. In a unit cell, A atoms are present at the corner and 2 atoms of A are missing. And where are the B atoms? B atoms are present at the face center. If you are asked to find out the formula of the compound, then how you will calculate? Contribution of A atoms will be equal to how much? It will be 1 by 8 contribution of a particle for each corner is equal to 1 by 8. Now there is a problem in this case. At the 2 corners of A, there is no particles of A. Particles of A are present at only 6 corners and B is present at 6 faces. So contribution of A atoms will be equal to 1 by 8 into 6. For 8 corners it is 1 by 8 into 6. But now there are only 6 particles at 6 corners. So it will be 1 by 8 into 6. So it will be equal to 3 by 4. Now contribution of B atoms per unit cell. How much it will be? It will be 1 by 2 into 6. We know contribution of a particle for each phase is 1 by 2. and there are particles at 6 faces. So it will be 1 by 6 into this, that is equal to 3. So how can you derive? What will be the formula? A is to B will be equal to 3 by 4 is to 3. So it will be equal to AB4. So similarly you can calculate. 2 examples I have given. The number of particles for each unit cell.